Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best radar detector on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Cobra R80 for 80i Laser Radar Detector. The Cobra R80 for 80i doesn't have a fancy color display or directional arrows, but it does the basics. The Cobra can detect radar and laser at a helpful distance, but its real strength is in its Bluetooth connectivity. On its own, that wouldn't be enough to set the Cobra apart from the rest, but on the back end Cobra shares data with Escort. Since both brands are made by the same company, that means insights and live data come from a wide user base tied to the more expensive Escort units, but at a bargain price. A subscription is required, but for an entry price of less than $200, it might be worth the downsides for some users. Pricing for the subscription runs $49.99 per year, or $4.99 per month. The lack of built-in GPS means you'll need your phone paired and running Cobra's app to benefit from the tracking and marking features, but pairing a radar detector with a robust app and community means more coverage than is possible with apps like Waze alone. Each unit gets a 1-year subscription with a purchase, so some buyers may want to consider a radar detector like the Cobra R80 for 80i to see if it's useful for them before stepping up to something with higher upfront investment. Pros: detects all the bands police use, and radar. Bluetooth connectivity. The price is right. Affordable. Cons: lacks built-in GPS. Number 2, Uniden R3 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector. Uniden, as a company, is known for making long-range radar detectors, and the Uniden R3 is no exception. This highly customizable device does a stellar job of picking up all the desired frequencies with plenty of time to allow the driver to slow down. Not only does it excel in the range department, but its accuracy is also an attribute to write home about. As long as you understand the optimal settings for your primary driving routes, Uniden gives its users fine-tuned control over band sensitivity to help with false alerts. From the setup to updates to setting adjustments, the R3 is user-friendly, especially once you become familiar with the controls. The GPS location lockouts are recorded by a simple double tap of the mute button, located just below the screen, and remain recorded until you delete them. The audible alerts are easy to hear, and the screen is easy to read. While the GPS location lockouts are easy to perform and plentiful, the R3 does not have as much storage as some competitors. Even within the Uniden brand, this design doesn't affect its daily performance but may inhibit the use of future memory-heavy firmware updates. Pros: easily adjustable band sensitivity. Long range. Manual GPS lockouts. Red light camera alerts. Cons: limited memory. Number 3, Whistler CR75 High Performance Laser Radar Detector. Equipped with Whistler's first-class quick signals detection, this is a powerful detector that can last you years. So while there aren't many radar detectors under $100 that can do the job, this Whistler model is something that does. The CR75 can detect radar detector signals quickly, whether it's from the X, K, or Ka bands. In fact, the number of radar bands that can be caught by this model is quite impressive. Once it alerts you of the threat, you can promptly react by slowing down so you're not caught. In our tests, this radar detector was easy to use. The blue LED display was easily readable whether it's day or night, so there would be no issues in that department whatever time of day you're on the road. Plus, it has an adjustable volume that lets you control how loud or soft an alert is. Not all radar detectors offer you this option, and that can tend to get annoying for any driver. However, what most of the users noticed, including us, is that this Whistler model is superb at recognizing false signals. Also, while some of the newer bands are more difficult to pick up, they are much easier to spot with this radar detector. If you want a radar detector that is versatile, modern, and useful, this product is a great purchase that's worth your money. Number 4, Escort Passport S55 Radar Detector. At first glance, the Escort Passport S55 doesn't seem like it would be made by the same company as detectors such as the Escort Max 360 and Escort iX Long Range. It features a different design and seems stripped of many of its features, but carries with it a super affordable price tag. Speaking of affordable, check out the best satellite radio for your car. However, none of this is to say that the S55 isn't a good radar detector. In fact, it's super easy to use and comes with digital signal processing, DSP, to increase its range. At a long range, it can detect on radar frequency bands ranging from super wide Ka to X to K. The S55 can also pick up on laser speed detection. Ultimately, If you're looking for something simple, efficient, and affordable, consider checking out the Escort Passport S55, super affordable with plenty of features to keep your speed unreadable. The S55 radar also features a dark mode which allows it to be more discreet than other Escort products or even other radar detectors like the Uniden R3 DSP long-range radar detector, one of Escort's biggest rivals. Pros: durable build, dark mode for better concealment, excellent long-range detection. Cons: the mount can be flimsy. Number 5, Uniden R7 Extreme Long-Range Laser/Radar Detector. The Uniden R7 is an advanced radar detector at a very fair mid-high price point. This model balances being highly customizable with simple settings adjustments to allow for a quick learning curve. It is accurate with excellent range. We could detect a cop over 5 miles away through winding mountainous roads. The built-in GPS technology offers several options to keep false alarms down, blocking alarms caused by radars found on things like automatic doors and train tracks. The manual lockout feature will allow the user to permanently mute any non-threatening, stationary trigger. You can store uploaded information like red light cameras on the device, with firmware updates confirming those locations. The sizable multicolored OLED screen is automatically brightened or dimmed based on a built-in ambient light sensor, and clear, unique, and crisp audible alerts round out this excellent package. Generally speaking, this triggers a K-band alert, so turning the K sensitivity down a notch helps mitigate the problem. Overall, this is a high-end radar and an excellent option for anyone looking to keep those pesky speeding tickets off their driving record.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.